And breaking now is the war of words over the stampede blame game in Karnataka after today's statements by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar in the assembly. The BJP has hit out. The BJP says Siddaramaiah's answer in assembly unacceptable. CM shifted blame, failed to take responsibility. The BJP also saying that DKS is an accused in the stampede case. Remember this morning, Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar had made statements in the state assembly on the Chinnaswamy Stadium stampede.
The truth is, if anybody is accused in the Chinnaswamy stampede episode, it is Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself. DK Shivkumar is accused in this stampede episode. But today, Chief Minister, who failed to take up the responsibility, is blaming other agencies and police officials. If government is not responsible, why did Govindraj his resignation was taken? It is a failure of the Chief Minister, not the failure of any agencies, according to me.
CM says it is not my fault, it is not government fault, it is fault of police. I think police is different, government is different. No common sense for this government. I condemn this. I say on this issue, stampede in Bangalore cricket stadium, main culprit is Mr. Siddaramaiah and others.
And Nagarjun joins me on the phone line on this story. Nagarjun, the government making some statements, the BJP hitting back. The government, of course, this morning, Siddaramaiah had said stampedes are not limited to a state or a country. What more do we know? What is happening in the state?
Minister began today with a reply of the RCB stampede and the investigation, while the opposition demanded action against politicians also. Till now, it was only officials who have been suspended. BJP question as to why there have been no political accountability. The Chief Minister should take the blame of the stampede and the Deputy Chief Minister. Leader of opposition Ashok questioned the BJP, questioned the Congress party, saying that how did DK Shivkumar go to the stadium, kiss the cup? Can he not take the blame? And then Chief Minister hit back at the BJP, saying during the last 10 years in BJP ruled states where all the stampedes have happened, and he said that I'm putting it on record that I got to know on the stampede only at 5:30 p.m. when I was eating snacks in a private hotel. Till then I had no information. If I had known this, I would not have gone to the stage, is what Chief Minister also said. The House has been adjourned at this point of time. It would be reconvened once again at 3 p.m.